Hey guys, what's up? This is Jonah, aka Thomas Superfanatic 2026 here, and welcome back to Big Engine Brawl. That's right. After a long day of waiting, we're finally back in Big Engine Brawl this time. So, okay, I don't need that. No, okay, I don't need that. So I want to try story mode. I'm gonna hit full screen. So let's see what we've got today.
Every morning at the crack of dawn, a large train filled with fish from the harbour is pulled by Henry the Green Engine. This responsibility is Henry's alone, and he loves it very much. But one morning, while he was waiting for his train to be loaded, he spotted two unfamiliar figures standing next to him that he did not recognize. One of them, a boy with blue hair holding a microphone in his hand. The other was a girl holding a gramophone.
Hello? What are you two doing so early in the morning around here of all places?
It looks like you've got some time before your train leaves. How about a song to pass the time?
She pointed to the microphone that the boy standing next to her was holding. Henry didn't seem to understand.
Yeah.
Singing? Don't be silly. Engines don't sing. What would the fat controller say?
Yeah, everything.
Don't worry, the stays between us.
At last, Henry sighed.
All right. But only one song. The kipper is due to leave any minute now.
Don't worry, time flies when you're having fun. Yeah!
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Here we go. Flying Kipper, composed by Jack Organ. I don't know how to pronounce that name. No! Darn it. Okay, I command retrying.
3, 2, 1, go.
I really like the art style when these happen. I mean, they're so beautiful. And I like how they actually painted Henry in his old shape. Shame that couldn't happen in a big adventure. I mean, the adventure begins. I know it's a little difficult because I'm missing. Yeah, and I'm not good at these at first, but I've been practicing since the last time. Now that was beautiful.
As the song drew to a close, a smile formed on Henry's face.
Now that was interesting. I especially enjoyed the part of the song where...
But before Henry could finish, the harbour manager ran up to him, red in the face. "What are you still doing here, Henry?" he said. "The kipper was due to leave ages ago."
Oh.
Henry tried to explain himself, but to no avail. The boy and girl who convinced him to sing had vanished.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, Henry's got some explanation to do.
Henry chuffed away quietly with the flying kipper. Later that morning, James the Red Engine sat idly with his train.
Where am I, driver and fireman? I just want this dirty job with these dirty trucks to be over already.
Just then, the boy and girl who had sung with Henry walked up to James.
Hiya.
Are you two supposed to be my crew? I bet I've never seen you before. And you're so small.
Don't worry. You can trust us. We'll make sure that your next round is both splendid and exciting. This guy right here's been aching to go for a song with you for some time now. What do you think about one while we're on our way?
James
I don't know how he
paused
feels
for a
about that.
moment. He looked at the two of them, the microphone and gramophone. He was skeptical at first, but thought it'd be best to play along.
Yeah.
All right, then. Let's get a move on, shall we?
Yeah, let's do this. I've heard that there's a Big Engine Brawl 2. I don't know when that's coming out. Well, actually, I think it has come out. But, I just hope I get to get that sometime. Anyways, let's cut to this. Yes, here we go. Now going next is what I like to call... oh, what's happening? Darn it! I gotta retry. I guess this means we're starting again.
3, 2, 1.
Yep. Sorry about this, guys. I'm just gonna pause through this while I get through this. Okay, guys, I'm back. I had to go through a few things, and I'm cool now. No! Why is this happening? Okay, well, I can't see now because of this white screen for some reason. But I know what's happening. Yeah, find something else to do, guys, until I can get this white screen under control somehow. Okay, I bet that sound James derailed. Okay, and for those who have probably seen Big Engine Brawl, you already know what's happening. Now, I'm gonna go. Now, I gotta restart this. Okay, okay, guys, I'm back. I had to reset the computer, and I'm cool now. Okay, and everything's okay now. Okay now. Okay now. 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 And, okay, I think I might need to... Okay. I don't know what's going on now. I'm afraid I might have to call it a day. But don't worry, I'll try a second attempt another day. Another day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.